Hello, happy Wednesday, friend. We are going to be working on some more math today, and we are starting chapter 3. So make sure you have your Go Math book, have a pencil, you can grab some crayons today, and we're going to be looking at the number 6. So for chapter 3, we're going to be talking about how can you represent, count, and write numbers 6 to 9. So we're going to be working on numbers 6, 7, 8, and 9, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to have our pencil, and we're going to look at how can you show and count 6 objects, okay? So we're going to look at these tickets, and we are going to make a counter for each of those tickets. But first we need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So now we have a 10 frame down here. If they're all filled in, there's 10. So before we were just looking at a 5 frame, so half of it, okay? So we are going to make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just like writing, we are starting from the left and going to the right and starting down here, and our 1 goes here, okay? We don't make it down here and go this way. We start this way and then the second row right there. And then you can go ahead and color those tickets in. I'm going to grab an orange crayon and color each of those counters in and count them along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? You can do the same thing. Make sure you have 6 counters just like your 6 tickets. Okay, go ahead and open up your page. And we are going to be counting some more. So it looks like we have a fair, and we have some cars over here, and then we need to make sure each of those cars have a parking spot, okay? So let's count the cars first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And we're going to just make circles for those 6 cars, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So now each of these cars have a parking spot. And now we're going to look at writing the number 6. So to write the number 6, I'm going to just put it over here. We start at the top, we curve it around, and then back. Okay? So start at the top, curve it around, and back. Okay? Kind of made it a little extra curvy up here. So down here on the bottom, we have the number 6, and I want you to trace that number 3 times. Okay? Curve it around, slide it down and curve it around, slide it down, curve it around. Okay, 3 times. And if you'd like to, you can color in each of the counters for the cars. Okay, one more page. Okay, and for this one, I'm going to use some red counters and yellow counters to make the number 6, okay? So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So let's see how many red we have first, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 red, and then how many yellow? Just 1 yellow. Okay, so let's look. We have 5 red and 1 yellow to make 6, and go ahead and trace that number 6. Okay, so we're going to look for 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways to make the number 6, okay? So we had 5 red and 1 yellow to make 6. I'm going to take a red off and add another yellow. Miss Beery can get it out of the container. So let's see how many red we have now. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 yellows. I'm sorry, 4 reds. 1, 2, 3, 4 reds. And how many yellows do we have? Let's count. 1, 2 yellows. So we have 4 red and 2 yellows to make 6. Okay? We're just moving right along. I'm going to take another red off, and I'm going to add another yellow on. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 red, and we have 1, 2, 3 yellow. And look, we have 3 red and 3 yellow. That's the same amount, okay? So 3 red and 3 yellow make 6, okay? Take 1 more red off. I'm going to add another yellow on. Let's see how many reds. 1, 2 reds. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 yellows. Slide down, curve it up, slide down, slide to the right, cut it in 2. So 2 red and 4 yellow make 6. Okay, you did a great job today for the number 6. We will work on the number 6 a little bit more tomorrow. Make sure you do the 3 pages that Miss Beery did, 119, 120, and 121. And if you'd like to, you can do the extra pages, 122, 123, and 124. And I will see you tomorrow on Thursday for some more math. Bye, friends.